Hey guys, it's Amir here, and we're recording, and we're playing on Factory on SD the Fridge. First time on it. Where's my friend Craig Ghost? Where is he? Say hi, Craig Ghost.
Hi.
Alright, so let's see the what? 45 seconds. Oh my god.
I know. It takes so long.
We're going for the Iron Axe. Should I?
You know iron axes?
Yeah. It's so easy. There's an Iron Axe in here, and then if somebody
I'm
gets
gonna go
it.
for this. I'm gonna go for the diamond. The secret diamond.
Oh, in the dispenser?
Yeah.
Alright. Shops. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Crap. But I got something.
Oh, someone else is going for the iron axe. Oh, someone else got the diamond.
Help!
Where?
Craig! Right here, dude! Hey, dude. I
Okay,
miss you, dude.
he's not chasing you anymore. Do you have like any weapons?
No.
Um,
Craig, where are you?
I'm over here. Where are you?
Yes, I got pants.
Okay, I got a weapon for you.
Where are you?
I'm at that thing. Like
Thing.
where we were.
Alright, me too.
Oh, which one do you want, sword or axe?
Sword. Give me the sword. Dude, you don't even try running. If I can find someone with chain pants, I can have full lingerie.
Oh no.
What? What happened? Where are you? You getting hurt? Please tell me.
No. Someone's chasing me.
There's nobody chasing you.
Oh.
You're just an idiot running around in circles.
Yeah.
Help me! There's somebody chasing me.
Well, he was chasing me at first, but I think he ran away.
This guy has the iron axe. Holy crap! Help!
Okay, where is he?
Help! Oh, TNT does so much damage.
I know, because you have like... I have like no armor on.
Bye, dude. You're dead, dude.
No, I'm not! Lol, he's running. Kill him.
Help!
Oh, I have no hunger.
Neither do I. I don't want food.
Help! 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 Dude, help! I'm getting chased. I have no hunger.
Neither do I, dude.
Please.
Where are you?
I'm at airfield.
Hold on, I'll beat you there. I just need to get a few chests.
Oh no, he's after me. He's after me. I'm dead, I'm dead. No.
No. I was getting a chest, dude.
I see you. low health?
Yes.
Oh, eat. Oh, you don't have food. Do you have food?
Now you have no food. Cover me. Crap. What happened? Sorry, guys. Alright, I'm looking for chest. Looking for a chest. Looking for a chest. Let's see what we can do. I have no food. I have one snowball, a wooden sword. Guys, I might just kill myself.
Where did you go? You could have killed that guy.
I know what the
With an eye.
iron axe. You brought him
Yeah.
down to low health. I'm surprised you didn't kill him.
I had like very low health. He couldn't even hit me.
I need food. Oh, I found the shop.
Really? Is there food in there?
Yeah, you can buy.
Um,
Waddle, 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 waddle. Ha ha! Ha
are you buying food?
Alright. How about 3 fish?
Okay. See. Okay, say hi. How much points you got?
I did. 13!
Dude, there's a chest right there. Look up. Turn around. More food. I have 101 points. What are you cooking?
No, I want to buy TNT. Liz, can't buy anything.
If I was still alive, I would have bought TNT for you. There's a crafting table upstairs.
Any chests?
I'm checking. Yeah, there's a chest.
Oof. That's-
Like right when you come up, there's a right here. Like in there. Wrong one. It has a blue bed.
Alright, I have full hunger.
Okay, go in the first one. The first one you saw. Was there anything in there?
There was, but guess what it was? A leather helmet.
Um,
Yeah.
go kill the guy with the iron axe.
Where is he?
Let's see. Um, he's shift clicking by mid. He's like in the corner. But don't go attack him. He has a teammate with the stone sword. Where was the other guy? Go kill someone. Are you trapped? Oh, I see you. You're up here. almost dead?
Yeah.
I'll watch your back. I think you should get out of mid, because people will be coming to mid. Because sponsor are gonna refill chest. Oh, someone's there. Someone's there. Oh, it's two people.
What do they have?
One of them has the iron axe, and the other one has the stone sword. Okay, they're leaving. Except one. One more. Nice.
Oh crap, he has a diamond sword.
Oh,
He must have got the secret diamond.
no, he didn't. He didn't get the secret diamond. Probably killed the guy with the secret diamond.
I have better armor than him. He has a better weapon. There's 3 of them?
No, there's 2 of them.
Yeah, but then what happened to the guy with the iron axe?
He was with someone else. He's with someone else.
Oh crap, they're in a Skype call. No!
Oh,
Are they chasing me?
no.
Where's the guy that left? I want to find his loot.
Dude, someone's right there.
Oh, there's a guy with the iron axe.
Go kill him. Kill the guy with no chest plate.
I am.
Because
If I kill him, I can have full lingerie.
he doesn't even know that you're behind him.
So let's see what this kid does. Crap.
He's chasing you. Backstab him.
I will. Once he gets into a corner.
Bet he's gonna kill you.
Tell me if he does. I have full lingerie.
Kill him. Oh, never mind.
What?
Lol.
Lol. Trollol. Trollolololol. Trollol. Trollol. I'm just loaded with things.
Throw the snowball. It makes him slower. Oh, you shot me.
Troll. Lolol. Trollolololol.
Why'd you shoot me?
Troll. Lolol. Trollolololol.
Some guy's chasing you. Behind you. He's gonna lose a lot of health. Because he has no chest plate.